Cal Bank has recorded an 18% increase in earnings per share to 4 pesewas for the first quarter. The Ghanaian lender saw profits after tax soar 160% to 21.3 million Ghanaian cedis, boosted by a significant increase in net interest income and, of course, operating income. Right now, we speak to Philip Owiredu. He's the CFO at Cal Bank, and he joins us on the line from Accra. Philip, thank you for joining us. It's great to speak with you for the first time on CNBC Africa. And it seems maybe we can talk a bit about the Ghanaian banking sector. It's attracting huge interest right now from investors. When we look at the Ghana market, Ghana Stock Exchange, we see it's leading other sectors. And there's just a sense, especially when we see this type of astronomical growth recorded by the likes of Cal Bank, that is a sector that is really booming in Ghana these days. Talk us through the opportunities that are arising in the banking space in Ghana.
Okay, thank you, Wally. The banking sector in Ghana has been growing quite tremendously within the last 2 years. Basically, based on the growth in the Ghanaian economy that we saw in 2011 and 2012, there are quite a lot of growth opportunities within the oil sector, within the real estate sector. Construction is booming. So the banks are basically riding on the back of this growth in the economy, and based on the requirement by the central bank also to ensure that banks are well capitalized to be able to take advantage of this growth. Most banks, virtually all the banks in Ghana, have been well capitalized now and are taking advantage of the growth in the Ghanaian economy.
Okay, let's focus on your results now. We saw your loans up in the first quarter about 12%. Very impressive performance. However, we see deposits are down slightly. And can you just talk us through that dynamic and how you expect things to change going forward?
We see that there's quite a significant growth in terms of total assets. But as you rightly said, the deposits are slightly down. Basically, what we are doing is trying to increase our presence in the retail sector by increasing our branch network and being able to mobilize some more deposits from customers. In terms of the corporate sector, also we are also ensuring that we're providing quite good quality services and products to the corporate sector that will result in quite a growth in their deposits with the bank, with quite a high increase in deposit rate based on the increasing government paper that we are seeing. Mobilizing deposits has been quite a challenge to most banks, but we do hope that this rate will be maintained and go down in the near future so that the deposit mobilization.
What guidance can you give the market, though, in terms of your performance for the rest of the year? Right now, return on equity is somewhere around 39%. So give us a sense of where profits your expectations for profits for this year and perhaps return on equity.
We hope to maintain this level of returns going through the end of the year. Based on the first quarter results, if we should forecast, if we take last year for instance, at the end of the first quarter, our profitability was about 18 million, and we ended the year with 49 million. So with the growth rate that we see now, we hope that we would be able to basically maintain the level of profit that we've had in the first quarter throughout the 3 quarters left, to be able to have a very good return at the end of the year.
Okay, but let's come back to the discussion around your branches, and I want to get your thoughts on branch expansion going forward. Is this something that you are going to continue to pursue, or are you likely to focus on sweating the branches that you have already put in place?
The branch expansion is something that we are going to pursue. There are strategy that we have. What we said is that we would like to increase the branch network to about 30 in the next 3 years. So by the end of 2015, we have to increase the branch network from the 18 that we have now to about 30. As I see, we are getting ready to open one branch at Achimota, which is in Accra, within a week. So what we're going to do is that we would have selected locations that we think is viable to be able to locate our branch network.
All right, Philip, thank you so much for joining us. Philip Owiredu, he's
Thank
the
you,
CFO of Cal Bank, joining us on the line from Accra.